welcome here today to Michigan, where we just came across probably one of the worst manholes we've seen ever in our career. And this hole is actually built up with calcium buildup. And it's basically the exact same thing that happens in a small cave, or a big cave, but this looks just like a small cave. And this is a result of I&I. So a lot of times we talk about I&I and we only talk about the water infiltration and the fact that we are treating water that does not need to be treated. This is another issue with I&I, is when that water comes in through holes around the top or anywhere in the structure. It can bring minerals along with it and create stalactites and stalagmites just like in a cave. So we are actually going to inspect this hole, and then the guys are going to get it all cleaned out and get it back to service. And part of the reason that we want to do this is because there would be no way to service this hole right now. And the reason that's bad is these stalactites and stalagmites could break off and could go down into the pipes, and it could clog, and this whole apartment complex and these condos would have a real issue here. So we want to make sure we get this all cleaned out. The guys are going to make it look good as new, and hopefully get this all sealed off so this doesn't happen in the future, because with our lining system, all of the I&I would be reduced. So I'll show you some before and afters, and we'll get this thing back to new.